Alright, so at the house, let's take a look at where we're at. So we got our permit, got the Jeep, got a pile of electrical debris. Oh shoot, actually, we got another container. So, shoot, a lot of good progress in here. That's all painted, all reframed. Shoot, that was all down just to wood. So that's good. Got our little soon-to-be wine closet, wine cellar, pump room. That's gonna get a different filter soon. Oh, the bathroom's all rebuilt, added washer and dryer, all electrical for that. This is almost done. And then down here, so that's all new, nicely done. Kitchen's gonna go down here, the one upstairs. So let's go look upstairs. Oh, that's all gonna be gone. Yeah. So these walls are back. Actually, that wall's back too. And they've matched the texture. Still needs to be painted. But the roof has been de-popcorned and painted. This is going to be wood paneling, so there's still popcorn on there now. No more little walkway. So you can see where the wall used to be. That's now just one big long beam. Pellet stove. That should be a lot more effective without the wall there. Ceiling's a bit open. So the cabinets are gone, so is that crazy soffit that had way too many nails in it. And then, shoot, all this is going to be downstairs. There's our blueprints. So there used to be a pantry here, and the walkway was there. Now we're going to put the walkway here, and the pantry, or like a refrigerator and stuff in there. The island will be gone. This is going to extend out another foot, I think. These cabinets will obviously be gone. This is going to be a sliding glass door, which is downstairs. That one gets replaced. Let's go in the bedroom. Well, here. This has been my temporary bedroom, which I cleaned out today, so they can finish the roof. I scraped all the popcorn off of that. It's actually a lot of progress, believe it or not. So now this is painted, or not painted, sorry, now the roof is painted. Haven't picked a color yet, but I decided to move all my crap in here so I could just have stuff in one room, so they can finish downstairs. The bathroom, it doesn't quite look the same. Ah! Smash that out today. And one more room. This bedroom with a much bigger closet. This will have cool, like, rolling barn doors on it. I inhaled a lot of dust. So we have recessed lights in there now. A new entrance, much bigger, into the attic. Of course, we got the river. that's the floor. It's a tie between those two. Got some potatoes and some tomatoes and some garlic. And down here we got strawberries and more tomatoes. Some peppers down there, hot peppers. Another tomato.